What's up, everybody? Welcome back to another Young Saadi unboxing video. And I know it's been like a little bit, but I'm back. And I got some stuff for you, and it's gonna be pretty cool, and I'm really excited about it. So today, for this unboxing video, we're gonna be talking about a bed in a box. And I get it, you know, if that's like a lot to take in all at one time, if it's a lot, and maybe you need a breather, you need a break. You know, you gotta pause the video, walk it off, come back, like my page, subscribe to it, and then just, you know, share it to everybody, Young Saadi. I get that, you know, totally. Because it is a newer concept, and it's definitely a really fun way to purchase a mattress. But on top of that, it's definitely a good way to find the right fit for you. Now, bed-in-a-box brands currently include names such as Tuft and Needle, Helix, Allswell Luxe, Zinus, Purple, and Layla. Today, I'm going to be talking about Casper. Now, the Casper brand is it's one of the more highly reviewed, highly rated bed-in-a-box brands that are available. They do have an online presence as well as a retail store experience available. So you can definitely, if there's one nearby, you can go in and check out the bed, or you can buy it online. If you're apprehensive about the purchase, they actually give you a 100-night return policy. So about a third of a year there. If you don't enjoy it, you can actually send it right on back, not a problem. And you don't even, that's the thing, they send someone out to get it. You don't even have to put it back in a box. And I'm going to explain that here in just a moment. But before I get into it, Casper was founded in 2014. They have since hit a $1 billion valuation, making them a unicorn company. So they're doing something right. And, they studied sleep. They studied and done the research to find the best materials and simplify the mattress buying process, both online and in store. They're non-commission based in the store, so it's definitely like a no stress purchasing experience. And you can see all the different sizings they have for, twin, queen, king, California king, etc. All the different, they have just the traditional sizes available. And they sell like the pillow, sheets, duvet cover. They have all of the pieces to complete your sleep experience, which is pretty cool. Definitely, you can get it all right there, so you don't have to worry about like mixing. You can even do the frame and the foundation, although I did it from Zinus, which the link for that as well as the Casper site is going to be down below in the description, so definitely check those links out to see like exactly what I got and kind of what that pricing and everything would be. Now, another cool thing about the Casper mattress, Casper actually has teamed up with American Airlines to provide first class flyers bedding for their flight. And I don't like flying's stupid, I hate it, but if it means that I'd be able to, use a day blanket or pajamas, slippers that are created, like custom crafted by Casper, and knowing the quality of the mattress, it would be really cool to see that up in the air. So definitely hats off to that. Another hats off because they will recycle your old sheets, pillows, and bedding in store. So if you want to get rid of your old spring mattress, which I'm sure is stupid and garbage and dumb, instead of lighting it on fire, which I don't recommend. Don't do that. Bring it into, sell the mattress or get rid of it or dispose of it properly. But for the bedding, for the pillows, for the sheets, all that stuff, bring it into a Casper store and then they'll recycle it for you. And then on top of that, another hats off to Casper. They have made over 70,000 donations to people in need by working with different charities to provide beds and pillows and sheets, everything like that, to the people who don't have it so that they also get a good rest. And on top of that, they also offer a dog bed. So if you have a dog and you love your dog and you want that dog to have the same sleep experience that you do, well, then you can get a dog bed, and they've done the research on it to make sure that it is comfortable and something that's your dog will enjoy. So check it out. This might sound like a paid advertisement, but it is not. Casper's not paying me or young Saadi, enterprises to do this. I'm not that big yet, so this is totally just me saying this is a great bed. Hats off to my friends Makoto and Cheska for recommending me this brand and putting me, kind of pointing me in the right direction, because I'm definitely a big fan. And as you'll see here from the unboxing, I'm gonna get everything set up here. And by the way, so the bed it's a foam material that is vacuum sealed. And then after it is vacuum sealed, it is rolled up and put in a box and then shipped to you. Pretty crazy. When I first heard that, I was like, oh, cool, that bed's gonna suck then. But lo and behold, I went to one of their stores and, laid down on it. I kind of gave it the full, sleep, on my left side and my right side. And, all the, I threw my phone on it to see how much it would bounce. That's how crazy I am. And I still found it to be just, the number one pick for me. For the type of sleeper I am, which is a very picky one. So, without further ado, that's my kind of intro for Casper. So before I pass it off to the unboxing video itself, quick plug, if you like these videos, if you're a fan of young Saadi, just in general, like the content that I'm providing, please feel free to like and subscribe, share the page, follow. I'm on YouTube, Twitter, Instagram, and Facebook. And, every single little bit definitely helps because, it helps me do more of what I like to do. So if you enjoy it, feel free to come back in. And, so let's go ahead and get into it and unbox this mattress.